Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make simple chicken curry and it's really very tasty. For this we need half kg of chicken, and for marination we need half spoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 spoon of pepper powder, and 1 spoon of freshly grounded ginger and garlic paste. Whenever we cook non-veg, we should always try to add freshly grounded ginger and garlic paste. And now I'm adding half cup of curd and mix it thoroughly. And I'm going to keep it for half an hour at least before I could cook it. Meanwhile, we can prepare other ingredients that are required for chicken. So you can always keep it for marination and make other like onions and tomatoes, everything ready for preparing chicken. And I'm also adding little salt to this marination. I'm not adding all the salt, I'm just adding it for taste now, so that chicken will be marinated and absorb all the salt. So while cooking process, I'm going to add little more salt. So I'm going to keep it for half an hour. Meanwhile, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and heat the oil thoroughly. Add 1 medium cut onion, chopped onion, and 2 to 3 bay leaves, and cinnamon stick, and then I've added cardamom, 4 cardamom and cloves, and 2 green chilies, and saute it. I'm adding 1 more ginger and garlic paste. I mean to say 1 spoon ginger and garlic paste. And little of turmeric powder. And then 2 spoons of red chili powder. Then quickly I'm adding tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. I've taken 2 tomatoes that are cut into pieces, and now salt. At this stage, when you add salt, the gravy would come out nicely. And one more thing is, tomatoes would be cooking very fast. They'll become very soft and tender. And now I'm adding our marinated chicken to this gravy and mix thoroughly. This chicken is it's going to be slightly gravy. It's not a fried curry, because even if you eat with this chicken is very tasty if you eat with chapati or roti or paratha or rice, anything. It tastes very good because it is a gravy curry, and simple gravy curry, very less ingredients are required for this and at the same time it's very easy to cook this. So I'm cooking it for 5 minutes, and again I'm mixing it. When the water comes out of chicken, I'm going to just mix it properly, and then I'm adding half cup of water to this. Some people don't like adding water, but this curry is like this, as you know, it tastes very good because we have added tomatoes, and at the same time it is rich. And now I'm adding Jeera, coriander and methi seeds, roasted and powdered. This is the powder that I always keep it as a curry powder, and I add 1 spoon of methi and 2 spoons of cumin Jeera powder, Jeera roasted, and 1 cup of coriander seeds roasted, and I always grind it and powder them, and then keep it as a curry powder. That is actually a curry powder that gives good aroma and also texture to the. Now at this stage I'm adding some garam masala, very little garam masala, because we have already added all those spices at the beginning, but just the gravy to taste very rich and spicy, I've added that garam masala, and we are just going to see that this curry and chicken is cooked properly, and also the gravy should become thick. See, now it's already thick. Curry with this kind of texture with gravy tastes very good with brown rice also. And I'm garnishing it with coriander and mint. You can avoid mint if you don't like it. It's ready, friends. Look at this. It tastes good, it looks good. Thank you very much for watching.